Hello, welcome to the Ultimate Sales Boost tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be going over the basics of our Ultimate Sales Boost app. When you first install the app, you will see numerous templates for you to use. Please choose the one that is best for you. In this tutorial, we will be using the sales sticker template. Once you have selected a template, you can configure it in our config page. Here I will be configuring our product image overlay widget. I'm going to select an image label. I want it to say Spring Special with the position on the top right of the image in the shape of a square. Here you can also have this widget applied to your featured collection on your home page as well as on your product images. Next, I will set up the message widget. This widget is useful if you want to inform your customers of any ongoing promotions you have. In this case, I will be informing my customers that I have free shipping on orders over $50. Here you can also change the emoji in front of the message as well as a message font size. Next, I will set up a countdown timer. This timer is useful to create a sense of urgency for your customers, encouraging them to buy your products. In this case, I will set the message to get it before the time runs out, and I will set the timer to a fixed 60-minute timer. When the timer reaches 0, it will restart, and the timer style will be numbers. Here you can change the colors of your timer, as well as the digit text color. You can also change the message font size and the size of the timer. The last widget I want to set up on my store is the trust badges. The trust badges are useful to let your customers know what kind of payments you accept on your store. For example, on my store, I accept Visa, MasterCard, American Express, PayPal, and Interact. You can also sort the order of the badges on the right. For example, I want my PayPal badge to be the first badge in my store. At the bottom, you can also change the badge color as well as the message font size. If you would like to change the font of the widgets, you can do so under the overall customization section. For example, I would like to change the font of my widgets to Open Sans, and I'd like the text color to be blue. You can also target your campaign based on a number of criteria we have. For example, in the products criteria, you can target based on product tagged or by manual selection. In this case, I'm going to manually select the shirt product. For countries, we can target specific countries that we want this campaign to be shown to. I want to show my campaign to Canada. For customers, you can target customers based on their customer tag or how much they have spent lifetime in your shop. For my campaign, I would like to show this campaign to customers who have spent over $50 in my shop. You can also schedule your campaigns. For example, I want my campaign to start today at noon, and I would like it to end next week at 11:59 p.m. In order for the targeting to properly work, you have to integrate your theme with our app. You can do this by clicking on the Integrate Now button in our config page. Take a few seconds to run, and once it is finished, you're all set. Once you have completely set up your campaign, please click Save at the bottom. From here, if you would like to change any part of your campaign, you can click Edit and you will be brought back to the config page. When we check our store, you can see that the product image overlay widget has been added to our featured products collection. Let's take a look at our product page. As you can see, all the widgets that we set up have been properly added onto our products page. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next tutorial.